Go.
I'm Desiree Bryant, and here today with Sebastian, having wanted someone touch me. I deal with bipolar depression and anxiety. Had me to lay down, had someone pray as well as touch my forehead for 10 minutes with both hands. And when I tell you I'm so elated, I can't tell you the difference I feel. Even my heel that he touched, I feel better. I can walk on it. So I just thank God for that healing and strength and how he did that, and then lifted my legs up and did something with my ankles as well with my feet. So I just can tell you all over right now, I feel so much better, much better, much better.
So come for my training.
And come for my training. Come for my training. Yeah. Oh, my training.
Sebastian training.
Sebastian training. Yes, come for Sebastian's training. Yay, Sebastian.